Hi my peeps, what's up wagwan? This is Jamaican style, Jamaican living. So guys, I went to juicy beef. This one is juicy beef now guys. And because I'm hungry so much, me start it on the way. Anyhow, this is juicy cheese patty. It's beef patty and then put cheese in it and a folding bread or cocoa bread. So me I go dive in it for you, okay guys? So good. Hot. So good guys. One second guys, I'm gonna get a juice. I'm back. This is just some Minute Maid orange drink. They are for my daughter. I'm drinking one. So how are you guys doing? So good. So good. This is what I'm eating for my dinner, supper, and later I might have something else. Hello, sir. Almost. My husband looking at me say, "Oh my God, girl, you're greedy." Right? Look at you. And guys, there I have one more for later or tomorrow. Okay guys, the last bite. That's it. I'll see you later.